Can y'all tell I just got out of my bed? Okay, obviously I love this shirt because y'all probably seen it a few times. That's if the videos even make it to where they trying to make it. Woody. Y'all, so it's another vlog. It's time for another vlog. It's been a long time. I'm actually gonna be vlogging tomorrow, but I'm just making kind of the introductory today because in the mornings I don't be feeling like talking. As y'all can see, I be looking half as stupid on the camera. I be like, I'm not a morning person because I'm a morning person when I don't have nothing to do. You know what I mean? When I can make my own schedule. But when I'm a morning person and I have stuff to do, places to be, stuff to do today, I'm not a morning person. But so yeah, tomorrow I will be going and getting treatment, and something else is going on tomorrow. Oh, we have to go pick up our new license plate for our new car. We had to get a new car. Whole story time coming on what happened. Y'all, it's crazy as but my God is awesome. He can move mountains, and he did. Anyways, y'all enjoy this video. Decided that I'm just going to start the vlog today. So that's exactly why I look the exact same. You know what I mean? But I'm going to make my grandmother's meatballs. So, here are the ingredients that you will need. You will need sliced peaches, butter, preferably sweet cream, but I don't got that right now, so hey, this will do. Nutmeg, apple pie spice, cinnamon, vanilla, and cornstarch. Also need sugar. Okay. I'm assuming I use my bread knife. I add about a tablespoon of butter. Then I'm gonna turn this bad boy down. Add a whole cup. Just kidding, guys. This is exactly where you want to add 1 quart of sugar. And then I already forget you.
You know it's a fast.
It's okay. A little bit more. So you're gonna add, yeah, that's enough. So you're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. I don't know if you know, but this a tablespoon that we eat with at our dinner table is not actually the tablespoon used in measurements. It's actually a teaspoon. It's gonna melt down, and I'm not gonna use all of it, like all of the sauce that it makes. So I've already added cinnamon, as you can see. I added a little bit of this, and just gonna add just a little bit of nutmeg. And everything is really to taste. I made peach cobbler one time for one of my friends. She had, yes, for Thanksgiving. One of my friends had Thanksgiving at her house, and I made a peach cobbler, and her father spilled all the juices out of it. So I'm sure it was pretty dry. Everybody that tasted, yes, he spilled all the juices out. Wow. I'm pretty sure everyone was lying when they said it was good. It still might have been, I don't know. Anyway, we're just gonna let that cook down. This is what you want to bring it to. Just kind of a, what, rolling boil? Is that what it's called? Slow boil? I don't know. But bring it to that. And at this point, you want to taste it. Remember, it's hot sugar, so be careful. You know what it needs? More vanilla. More cinnamon. Oh, babe, I need you to pour. You know what? I think I can eyeball it. I'm going to add like, whoop. I think that was a teaspoon or maybe a table. Oh, gosh. A heaping amount of vanilla. And we're going to add some more cinnamon. Oh my gosh, look. I did it. Let's bring that down. Added the cinnamon. And now just take cornstarch and make a cornstarch slurry. Okay. So, and pour it in. We're gonna go ahead and bake this until almost until done. Don't worry about those edges because I'll show you what we're gonna do to those. But let that bake on 350. I'll tell you how long I let mine bake when I'm done. On the pie crust. Yeah, that's good enough there. Because I don't want it too done. I want it too brown just yet. And I'm gonna let that cool before I add the pie filling stuff. But I'm gonna leave the oven on and I'm actually gonna turn it up to 75. But this is how our, what is this called? Filling is looking as it sits. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do peach cobbler. You want your pie crust to look like this. Not, you just want it to get it hard. Okay. And then you're gonna take this. Oops. And get your knife. And I'm gonna say we're gonna do these about 1 inch. Just like so. Move that out the way and get our peaches in here. And so here's our peaches. I'm gonna use one more stir. Oh, this is not a lot of peaches at all. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna use the spoon with the hole, that way it can kind of drain that juice. I might ask her to get another bag of peaches. Oh yeah, we need another bag of peaches. Okay. So let me call Irie real quick. It would preserve it. I don't know. Good idea, you think? Bring it over, baby?
Definitely need it.
No, like, bring it over. Don't be scared. Is more in there? Or is it heavy?
Excuse me?
Was it heavy?
What's heavy?
Okay, well, come on. Oh, hold on. I gotta turn that off. Alright, put down, baby. I need the ladle.
As I'm doing.
Can you give me the ladle, baby? Ladle. This is my grandmother's ladle, actually. Rest in peace to my beautiful grandmother, Lula Wise. She passed away in 2014. Who at the door? You didn't think that was a knocker? Oh, I did. Ooh, wait. You can wait though, baby.
No, I'm not doing it right now. I'm good after that.
Oh, okay.
Sun
Oh,
gotta go
man.
down. Sun gotta go down a little bit more.
You were gonna love this one, I know it. I mean, you like all of them, but...
You gonna put the other stuff on top?
The crust?
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh, don't do it, please.
Don't start, Charles. All right. We're not gonna waste this. I promise you we're not. I'm gonna probably make a little, bake this up. I do weird things. Probably put some oatmeal. I don't know. Hey, can you ziplock this for me? So now I'm just going to like put, some people put egg wash to make theirs crisp up and all that, but my grandmother, she uses butter. That's it. No eggs. So watch how good this, you know how it comes out. You know. This is how my grandma's been making it for years. Be extra.
White boy, throw a little yogurt in there. Put some mayo.
Oh my god. Mayo. You ain't right.
I ain't gonna lie now. Grammy,
Now we're gonna take some cinnamon sugar.
I ain't supposed to tell you this, but Grammy does use mayo for her grilled cheese.
I know.
You do?
Well, we do that too in our community, in the black community. Now we're just gonna sprinkle that cinnamon sugar on there. And let's, babe, grab the camera. Show them me popping this in the oven. Let's go.
Can I flip it?
Huh?
Can I flip it?
Oh no, baby, come on. Get on in here. Oh shit. I forgot to pull the rack out.
Be careful.
Should I put it on the top?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Or in the middle.
All right. Ow.
Careful.
Okay. We're gonna let that bake. Ow!
Careful. Once again.
Alright, let me turn these back up now that I can focus on it. Couple meatballs. Sprinkle on all sides. I try to make Ari whatever I'm eating in his form too. Sorry, baby.
You need to go ahead and get that rice started. I know it's
Oh
like
yeah,
10
I was
minutes.
waiting on this. Can you wash this pot for me?
No, you can make it in the other one. We don't need that much.
I want this pot though, in particular.
Okay.
I want to save that for my oatmeal. All right, so Irie's meatballs look way better than mine. This is turkey meat. This is beyond meat. These look like meatballs you want to eat. Plant-based meatballs. Come on now. Babe, you might be sharing.
I don't know about that.
Look at these. Homemade peachy cobbler. Harry's been asking me to cut this, so I will. this is my first time making it in like this pie shape. I normally make it in like a square dish. So we'll see how this goes.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. We are going to go enjoy our food and probably he's going to teach me how to play Red Dead Redemption. Because I just got Animal Crossing for my Nintendo Switch. So I'll be doing a video on Red Dead Redemption, starting my own story, and then I'll also be doing like a whole series with Animal Crossing New Horizons because I got a feeling I'm gonna love it. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with us. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video.